Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw and color Pocoyo and his best friend, Pato the duck. It's super easy and fun. Let's get started. Let's start drawing. First, I'll draw Pocoyo, starting with his big, bright eyes. Next, I'll add his little nose and his happy, smiling mouth. He looks so adorable. Now, let's draw his face, and of course, we can't forget his iconic hat. Left next to Pocoyo, I'll draw his best friend Pato the duck. I'll start with Pato's two big, round eyes. Then, I'll add his beak. He always looks so funny and cute. Now, I'll draw his face and his little hat, followed by his long, slim body. To make our drawing stand out, I'll use a black marker to outline everything and make it more visible. Time to color. Let's bring our drawing to life with some bright and cheerful colors. First, then, I'll use red for his mouth. Now for Pato. I'll use green to color his hat. Orange for his beak and feet. And yellow for his body. To make the picture even more fun, I'll draw and color some heart shapes around them. I'll use red, pink, light brown, blue, dark green, and purple to fill them in so colorful. Great job! We did it! Our drawing of Pocoyo and Pato is complete. Did you enjoy drawing with me? If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe so we can create more fun drawings together. See you in the next video. Goodbye!